This is worksheet 21.1, and we're going to look at question 16 and 17, which actually refers to the graph in number 13. So let's look at the graph first, because the question is asking if this equation is graphed, which value of x would produce a point furthest from the x-axis. So looking at this graph, similar to how we did 12 and 14, if we sketch the graph, the y-intercept, 1/4 to the 0 is 1 times 8 is 8. I'm also going to plug in x equals 1, so that's 1/4 times 8, which is 2. So I have 0, 8, as well as the point 1, 2 on the graph. So our graph looks like this, decreasing. So this multiple choice question is asking, on this graph, which x value produces a point furthest from the x-axis. So I'm getting farther and farther away from the x-axis as I go left. As I go left, my x value is decreasing. So the value that's going to create a point furthest away from the x-axis is the smallest x value that's listed here, which is -2. On question 17, same graph, but the question is which value of x would produce a point closest to the x-axis. So as this graph decreases, I'm getting closer and closer and closer to the x-axis, but my x value is getting larger and larger and larger. So the largest x value here, 2, will create a point that is closest to the x-axis.